Hello guys and welcome back to dstech. Have you ever tried to install Windows 11 on a device? How did you feel when you're told that your PC can't run Windows 11? Okay, how could it be if you can make a single bootable USB drive of Windows 11 for all your devices? Either your PC be 10 or 15 years old, that doesn't matter, within 5 clicks. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create this kind of USB drive within 5 clicks. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to get more daily day-to-day tech updates. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, for this you need to download some necessary files from the description box. One is the latest version of RUFUS software. Another one is any of the Windows 11 ISO. I will give some certain links in the description box. You can also use that. And also you need an 8GB of open drive in order to make the bootable USB. So first you need to open this RUFUS software. Click OK. Now here you need to select the ISO image where you have downloaded it. In my case it is on the desktop. So select it. Okay. Now you need to give here extended Windows 11 installation so that this will easily bypass TPM, secure boot and other the main things. Okay, so you need to give this. Then if you want you can change the volume label of this. I'm gonna give Windows 11. Okay, now if you want you can change this to NTFS. Then now at last you need to click start. Here you need to give OK. This will take a while to install. So guys, as you can see that RUFUS has successfully created the Windows 11 bootable USB. So click on close. So guys, with this bootable USB drive, you can convert any of the PCs, even it be more than 25 years old also. You can convert this to a full-fledged Windows 11 running PCs. So that's it guys. Thank you. And I'll see you on the next video. And until then, bye from dstech Technology for everyone.